Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into a topic that can help you boost your income and achieve financial freedom. How to start a side hustle and make extra money. Before we start, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research as well. Whether you're looking to pay off debts, save for a dream vacation, or simply increase your disposable income, a side hustle can be a game changer. So let's get started. Step 1. Figure out what you're good at and enjoy. All right, let's get real. The first step is to figure out what the heck you're good at and actually enjoy doing. Ask yourself, what are my skills? What makes me tick? Don't just jump on the latest trend or do something that bores you to tears. Your side hustle should align with your passions and talents. Because let's face it, you won't stick with it otherwise. Step 2. Explore your options. Now it's time to put your head down and start exploring your options. Get down and dirty with research. Look into freelancing gigs, consulting opportunities, tutoring gigs, selling handmade crafts, or even starting an online business. There's a whole world of side hustles out there waiting for you to uncover them. Dive into different avenues and find what gets you excited. Step 3. Map out a rough plan. No fancy jargon. All right, no need for fancy jargon or complicated business plans. Just grab a pen and paper and start mapping out a rough plan. Set your goals, identify your target audience, figure out how much to charge, and come up with some simple marketing strategies. Keep it real, keep it simple. This plan will be your compass, guiding you through the ups and downs of your side hustle journey. Step 4. Embrace the tech-savvy world. Let's be honest, we're living in a tech-savvy world and you better jump on that train. Embrace technology to promote your side hustle. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to showcase your skills and connect with potential customers. If you're feeling fancy, build a basic website or start a YouTube channel. Technology is your best friend when it comes to reaching a wider audience and raking in that extra cash. Step 5. Money matters, so keep your finances in check. Money. Yeah, we all want it, but you have to handle it responsibly. Separate your personal and business finances for crying out loud. Track your income and expenses like a hawk and save some dough for those dreaded taxes. Having a clear picture of your financial situation will prevent you from going broke or getting a nasty surprise when tax season rolls around. Step 6. Juggle like a pro with time management. All right, it's time to juggle like a pro. Balancing your side hustle with your day job and personal life is no joke. Set specific hours for your side hustle and create a schedule that works for you. But let's be real, it won't always be rainbows and sunshine. You'll have moments when you're exhausted or tempted to slack off. Stay disciplined and push through. Consistency is the name of the game here. Now let's talk about some ideas you could do. Side hustle idea 1. Freelancing. One popular side hustle idea is freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, coding, or marketing, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients looking for your expertise. Side hustle idea 2. Gardening or landscaping services. If you have a green thumb, consider offering gardening or landscaping services. Beautifying outdoor spaces can be both therapeutic and profitable. Reach out to neighbors or local businesses to find clients. Side hustle idea 3. Handyman or handywoman services. If you're good with tools and fixing things, offering handyman or handywoman services can be a lucrative side hustle. Advertise your skills and help people with their home improvement projects. Side hustle idea 4. Photography. If you have an eye for capturing beautiful moments, consider offering photography services. Whether it's events, portraits, or stock photography, people are always willing to pay for great shots. Market your skills and build a portfolio. Side hustle idea 5. Drop shipping. Another popular side hustle idea is drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can run an online store without worrying about inventory or shipping. You act as the middleman, selling products from suppliers to customers. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up your online store and integrate with dropshipping suppliers. Research profitable niches, find reliable suppliers, and focus on marketing and customer service to succeed in dropshipping. Side hustle. Idea 6. Amazon FBA. If you're interested in e-commerce, Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, can be a lucrative option. With Amazon FBA, you can leverage the massive reach and logistics infrastructure of Amazon. You source products, send them to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they handle storage, packaging, and shipping. Amazon FBA offers a streamlined process for selling physical products, and you can reach a vast customer base. Research product opportunities, optimize your listings, and utilize Amazon's advertising and promotional tools to maximize your sales. Idea 7. Print on demand. Print on demand allows you to create custom-designed products such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without the need for upfront inventory. You partner with a print-on-demand provider, upload your designs, and they handle production and shipping when customers place orders. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble make it easy to get started. Focus on creating unique and appealing designs, target specific niches or audiences, and market your products through social media and online marketplaces to drive sales. Idea 8. Handmade crafts. If you have a talent for crafting, consider turning it into a side hustle. Handmade crafts have a unique appeal, and many people appreciate the value of artisanal products. Whether it's jewelry, pottery, candles, or artwork, you can sell your creations through platforms like Etsy, local craft fairs, or even your own website. Invest in high-quality materials, create a cohesive brand, and showcase your craftsmanship through compelling product photos and descriptions. Idea 9. Online courses or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field or skill, consider offering online courses or coaching services. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on a wide range of topics. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one coaching or consulting services through platforms like Clarity or your own website. Identify a specific target audience, create valuable content, and market your courses or services through social media, email marketing, and partnerships with relevant influencers. And that's all! Starting a side hustle is a fantastic way to make extra money and explore your passions. Remember to align your side hustle with your skills and interests. Create a solid plan, leverage technology, manage your finances wisely, and prioritize time management. Remember to research each option, understand the requirements and potential profitability, and choose the one that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Starting a side hustle in the e-commerce space can open up exciting opportunities for additional income and personal growth. So, take the leap and embark on your journey to success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to help on your journey.